Hey guys.
What is up? So today is special. We don't have that annoying That's so good. What we do have is a plate full of pomegranates and 2 giggly girls. Okay.
That's right.
In this video, we are going to be trying Kylie's ramen because we didn't have dinner.
Yeah, we didn't have dinner because we just got back from a movie and it's like 9:45.
And then Tyler the Creator's waffles, which we both never had either. Everyone back up. We're starting out with the ramen. So here we go. We're just on this website called, I don't know what it's called.
But credit to you guys. We don't know what you guys are called, but credit to you guys.
Thank you. Okay. She said, I add butter, garlic powder, and an egg to my ramen noodles. What do you add?
We had the same thing. And it's Soap and Chloe.
Let's get the ramen. Okay. To recreate this recipe, I first made chicken ramen, my favorite, since she didn't specify the type. By boiling water, adding the noodles and flavoring, and then her special ingredients, butter, garlic powder, onion powder, and an egg. Adding these ingredients wasn't a hassle at all. The whole process took about 5 minutes. We're gonna boil water, and we'll get back to you,
So, as you see back here, boiling a little pot of water for our ramen. Okay. So we were a little bit confused about the whole egg thing because we didn't know
I thought you were just supposed to add it in with like the noodles. We were really confused in the head.
So thanks to Kylie,
we were able to learn how to do this. She said to cook the egg separately and then add it in. So that's what we're gonna do because I feel like she's just right. Because like that'd be kind of weird adding a raw egg to yours. I feel like I'm gonna get salmonella. So we're gonna go cook this egg. Water is boiling and egg is cooking. Should we start cooking the voice?
Oh, with the mallet.
So now we're gonna add the noodles.
Chloe, I don't think we put enough butter on here or something.
I think it's gonna be good.
Chloe, stop ruining it.
No, this is fine. Because we're gonna scramble it up anyway. Right? Chicken
we can't cook an egg or ramen.
Girls who can cook.
Girls who can cook. Hello.
Alexa,
put enough butter on this.
Set timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes, starting now.
Thank you, baby. Do ASMR. Okay, I think that's how you do it. Is it told us to add the egg into the ramen and then cover it. We're not gonna do that. We're sticking with this. This is the Kylie ramen recipe tweaked. If you don't like it,
don't. No. Putting in the seasoning, garlic powder and onion powder. Do you see those flakes going in there? Here, I'll do this one.
No, you're not.
Is it ready?
Don't pour a lot.
1. Oh,
That's good.
Looks like the pasta's done.
Just add
My filming skills. Look at the
Kylie Jenner, please don't sue us. I think it's time to
I think it's time to put it in the bowls.
add the eggs.
Oh, add the eggs.
So film me doing this. Ready? We definitely did this wrong because Kylie Jenner would never do such a thing. Time to distribute in bowls and serve.
So we're gonna serve this up.
Okay, I'm just gonna serve this like lunch at prison.
Need a little extra broth, would you? We're almost ready to try it. I know you guys have been waiting for so long to try it. Try this.
So, here's the big...
It smells good. I'm not gonna show my... It smells pretty good.
It just smells like ramen, but with like...
Extra seasoning.
Wait, I need a big bite.
It tastes the exact same as ramen would, like, with none of this. Maybe a little bit more seasoned.
I think it tastes a little bit better.
Thumbnail.
I'm about to be throwing it up. Okay, actually, I keep thinking like a dog is watching me. So this is what you need for these pancakes. You need waffles. We have the chocolate chip Eggo ones, butter, and cinnamon, and then
A pan and then some syrup.
Okay, so first we're gonna butter both of the waffles on each side.
It's gonna look like that, kind of. Oh wait, no it doesn't. It just smells like popcorn. But like, I'm so zoned out. And I'm gonna go cook this waffle. 13, 14, 15, that's a bad setup.
Sprinkle some cinnamon on one side.
I'm just gonna use my fingers.
Then we have the next ones ready. Wait, add cinnamon to that side.
No, I can't. It's not like crispy yet.
It's not supposed to be.
Well, isn't it a waffle? Isn't it supposed to be a little bit golden?
If you say so.
I'm so like zoned out right now.
By the way, we just saw the movie The Possession of Hannah Grace. So
Stop!
so beautiful. What do you think? It's crystal snow. My waffle.
To add syrup to it.
Just a
Oh, it smells so good.
Just drizzle that. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, you're just gonna.
Here, let's do another thumbnail.
I like happy.
Alright, now let's... Very good.
Delicious. 10 and 10 would recommend. I feel like it's been like 10 o'clock for the past like 5 hours. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video. This probably was really boring, but if you enjoyed, please give it
Like,
comment,
subscribe for more videos.
and make sure to share and make sure to
Yeah,
comment.
if you like our videos, tell your friends, and then your friends will tell their friends, and then...
And then it's just a chain, and then we get more popular. We move to LA tomorrow, like we are from and then we get 40 views, and then everything's great.
Yeah.